Welcome to Bright Beats, and today's topic is shapes name. Hello friends, I am a square. I am a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, a square. I am a square. Hello friends, I am triangle. I am triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. I am triangle. Hello friends, I am circle. I am circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. I am circle. Hello friends, I am rectangle. I am rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. I am rectangle. Hello friends, I am hexagon. I am hexagon. H-E-X-A-G-O-N, hexagon. I am hexagon. Hello friends, I am star. I am star. S-T-A-R, star. I am star. Hello friends, I am pentagon. I am pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N, pentagon. I am pentagon. Hello friends, I am heart. I am heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. I am heart. Hello friends, I am cube. I am cube. C-U-B-E, cube. I am cube. Hello friends, I am octagon. I am octagon. O-C-T-A-G-O-N, octagon. I am octagon. Thanks for watching.